हेलो एंड वेलकम एवरीबॉडी। आज हम देखेंगे कि व्हाट इज कोडिंग। आप में से कई लोगों ने ये टर्म पहले भी सुना होगा या यूज भी किया होगा। सो दिस वीडियो इज फॉर बिगिनर्स हु आर न्यू टू दिस टर्म एंड वांट टू डू मोर इन कोडिंग। सो लेट्स बिगिन। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद एन एग्जांपल टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस। जब आपको टीचर क्लास में पूछते हैं कि व्हाट इज 4 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2, so you can quickly answer that it's 8 because you and teacher know the same language. But what if the teacher asks in a language that you don't know? Let's say कि टीचर आपको स्पेनिश में पूछता है सेम क्वेश्चन, so it might be possible that you won't be able to answer. So same case is with the computer. So when we ask computer, when we give command that what is 4 multiplied by 2, so it won't be able to answer because computer don't know English. So which language does computer understand? Actually, this is the language. But what is this? These are only zeros and ones. Even I cannot understand this. How can the machine understand this? So, computers understand binary language, that is ones and zeros. Let's make it simple. Like every language has some characters. जैसे English language में 26 alphabets होते हैं. So these characters combine together to form words. Then these words combine together to form sentences. And eventually we have paragraphs, pages and books. Similarly, the language of computer works upon two characters. मतलब कंप्यूटर में जितनी भी चीज है, like when you press A, वहां से लेके डिजाइनिंग कंप्यूटर गेम, ये सारी जो लैंग्वेज कंप्यूटर है वो जीरोस और वन में ही समझता है. These all the things are coded into zeros and ones. So when you press A on the computer, it understands it as 01, 00, 00, 01. So that's how it works. However, there's some more process into it. So coding is a process of creating instructions. हम कोडिंग के थ्रू इंस्ट्रक्शंस देते हैं कंप्यूटर को, मतलब कि कंप्यूटर को कैसे समझाना है. दैट यूजेस प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेजेस टू कन्वर्ट आवर इंस्ट्रक्शंस फ्रॉम हाई लेवल into low level computer language. So this is the flow. We give our instructions to using programming languages that converts our instructions for computer into low level language or machine language. So what are programming languages? Programming languages are high level readable languages. ये मतलब सिंपल लैंग्वेज जैसे इंग्लिश की तरह होती है जिसके अंदर हम अपने इंस्ट्रक्शंस देते हैं. These are easy to read for us, that's why we use it. So these are high level readable languages which follow some instructions to convert our code into machine language. There's a process behind it. So when we write our code, these programming languages convert it into machine language, यानी binary language में इसको convert कर देते हैं. So currently there are a lot of programming languages available. For example, Python, Java, PHP, Perl, CPP, and a lot more. So what happens is, when we input our code using programming languages, the programming languages convert it into computer language. Thus the computer understands it and gives us an output. So this is how we have seen that what is coding and how we give instruction to computers and how it gives us an output. अब देखते हैं कुछ interesting facts related to programming. The first high-level programming language was Fortran, invented by IBM in 1954. The word computer bug was inspired by a real bug and it was founded by Grace Hopper in 1947. Actually, what happened was this bug was stuck into the system and it made it stop working. The language name C because it succeeds another language called B. Isn't that funny? Currently, there are over 700 different programming languages. So that's all for today. I hope आप सबको समझ आ गया होगा कि what is coding, what goes into it, कैसे कंप्यूटर समझता है हमारी बात को, कैसे हम इंस्ट्रक्शंस देते हैं and how we get the output. अगर आपको इन चीज़ों के बारे में और कुछ जानना है, so please mention in the comment box so that we can make more content related to this. So that's all for today. Thank you.